So, Prelude is in the garage. It'll work, I must say. There might be a few things, keys, bit of rust here and there. But cool little car, 80s trim, kind of strange things back in those days. Interior, oh, that's not too bad. Sunroof is on the place. Here is also rust. Rust inside. Wheels, original, will be cool. Gas. There's even a hook. Weird thing on such a small car, but okay. So a bit of work on the fenders, bumpers, more rust, a lot more rust, but I looked underneath and it doesn't look too bad there. Also have something on the corner of here. So, no, there will be work to be done. A bit of rust in one of the lights as well. And I'll try to find a new one. Engine. Needs also a bit of attention. New battery though, so that's good. And spark plugs has been changed, but it doesn't run. It doesn't rev up good, so I need to find out why. Maybe it doesn't get enough fuel, I don't know. Runs on choke, but not much without. So, cool. Looking forward